In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudflare for your domain. Cloudflare helps improve your website's speed, security, and reliability by placing a powerful network in front of your site. Today, we'll walk through the essential first actions to get your domain into Cloudflare so you're ready for the rest of the setup. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Cloudflare dashboard. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access the controls for adding a domain. If this is your first time, you may see a clean dashboard with prompts to start. If you've used Cloudflare before, you'll see your home overview. Either way, you're in the right place. It's a good idea to bookmark the dashboard for quick access later, since you'll return here to manage DNS, security, and performance settings. On the main dashboard, look for the option labeled Onboard a Domain. Depending on your view, it may also appear as Add a Site. Click that to begin the guided onboarding. This simply opens a short workflow that collects your domain and prepares Cloudflare to scan your current DNS settings. Nothing on your live site changes at this point. You're just telling Cloudflare which domain you want to manage. Next, you'll see a field asking for your domain. Type your root domain only, for example, example.com. Don't include HTTP or HTTPS, and don't add slashes, paths, or ports. Avoid subdomains here. No blog, just the main domain. This helps Cloudflare discover all related records correctly. If you copy and paste the domain, double-check for extra spaces before or after, and make sure there are no typos. Domain names aren't case-sensitive, so lowercase is fine. If your domain includes a hyphen, that's acceptable too. When your domain is entered correctly, click Continue. Cloudflare will begin scanning for existing DNS records from your current setup to create a starting point. This scan doesn't modify anything on your site. It gathers information so you can review and manage it inside Cloudflare. If the page takes a moment, let it finish. If you see an error, recheck the domain formatting and try again. Most issues at this stage are caused by a small typo or an extra character. That's it for this initial onboarding. You've reached the point where Cloudflare has your domain and is preparing the details you'll manage going forward. In the next part of your configuration, you'll review what Cloudflare found and continue tailoring settings for performance and protection. For now, you've successfully started the process by navigating to Cloudflare, opening the onboarding flow, entering your domain correctly, and confirming to proceed.